Today we're taking a closer look at the CIGMAN CM S04 16 lines laser level, a professional-grade 4D green laser designed for construction, renovation, and precision layout work. Laser levels have become an essential tool for anyone working with alignment. Whether you're installing cabinets, framing walls, laying tiles, or setting up ceilings, accuracy and speed matter. The CM S04 aims to simplify those tasks by projecting a full multi-plane layout across the entire room. This model combines modern technology with practical job site features, including a smart LCD display, Bluetooth app control, self-leveling functionality, and a complete accessory kit designed to support real-world installation work. So, let's into its in-depth review. Opening the box immediately gives the impression that this tool is built with professional users in mind. Instead of a soft pouch, everything comes inside a sturdy ABS hard case. The case feels rigid and durable with solid hinges and dense foam inside that keeps each component securely in place. That kind of packaging matters because laser tools need protection during transport between job sites. Inside the case, the layout is organized and easy to understand. You'll find the laser unit itself positioned at the center, surrounded by several accessories designed to expand how and where the device can be mounted. The kit includes a lifting base, a magnetic mounting bracket, a Bluetooth remote control, a target plate for improving visibility, and a safety lanyard. 2 rechargeable batteries are also included, which is a major advantage. Having a spare battery ready means you can keep working without waiting for a recharge during long projects. There is also a tripod adapter that allows the device to connect to different mounts or camera tripods. This flexibility makes it easy to integrate the laser into tools many professionals already own. Everything sits securely in the foam inserts, and the overall presentation feels closer to professional equipment than a typical budget tool. Once you take the laser out of the case, the solid construction becomes even more apparent. The body has a compact, balanced design and weighs about 670 grams, which makes it easy to move around a room while still feeling stable and durable in hand. Rubber pads on the base help prevent slipping when placed on smooth surfaces, and the housing feels sturdy enough to withstand regular use in construction environments. Another important detail is the pendulum locking system. When transporting the device, the pendulum can be locked to protect the internal components. Once unlocked, the self-leveling mechanism activates and quickly stabilizes the projected lines. The outer shell is also rated IP54 for dust and splash resistance. That means it can handle dusty workshops, renovation debris, or occasional exposure to moisture without compromising performance. This level of durability is essential for tools that will be used in active job site conditions rather than controlled indoor environments. Where this tool truly stands out is in its projection capability. The CM S04 uses a 4-plane laser system, projecting 2 horizontal and 2 vertical green beams. Together they form a complete 360-degree layout across the entire workspace. This creates a total of 16 intersecting laser lines that cover walls, floors, and ceilings simultaneously. The benefit of this setup is efficiency. Instead of constantly repositioning the laser to mark different surfaces, you can place the unit once and work around it. Whether you're marking reference points along the floor, aligning wall fixtures, or transferring measurements to the ceiling, the lines remain consistent throughout the room. The green laser beams are bright and well-defined, making them easy to see even in rooms with strong lighting. The line edges remain sharp rather than fuzzy, which is important when you're aligning multiple reference points across a long distance. This multi-plane layout significantly speeds up installation tasks and reduces the chances of alignment errors. Precision is the most important characteristic of any laser level, and this model is designed to deliver reliable accuracy. The self-leveling system works within a range of approximately 3 to 4 degrees. As long as the device is placed within that range, it automatically adjusts itself and stabilizes the projected lines. When the tool is placed on a surface that exceeds the leveling range, the laser lines begin flashing. This warning lets you know that the unit is not level and needs to be repositioned before continuing your work. In terms of measurement accuracy, the laser maintains a precision of about 1/8 of an inch at 33 feet, which is roughly 3 millimeters at 10 meters. That level of accuracy makes it suitable for a wide range of professional applications, including tile installation, cabinet alignment, and framing work where even small deviations can become visible over long distances. If your project requires angled layouts, the pendulum can be locked to activate manual tilt mode. This allows you to project lines at a custom angle, which can be useful for stair railings, drainage slopes, or architectural design features. One of the features that separates this model from many traditional laser levels is the built-in LCD screen. Located on the side of the unit, the display provides a quick overview of the device's operating status. You can see the leveling condition, which laser lines are active, and the remaining battery level all at a glance. This eliminates guesswork and allows you to quickly confirm that everything is functioning correctly. The device also supports Bluetooth connectivity. Using the dedicated mobile app, you can control the laser from your phone. This allows you to switch between line modes, adjust brightness levels, and change settings without physically touching the tool. For situations where using a phone isn't convenient, the included remote control provides similar functionality. This combination of app control and remote operation helps streamline workflow, especially when the laser is positioned in hard-to-reach places or mounted at height. Another highlight of the CM S04 is its flexible mounting system. The laser includes a standard 1/4-inch tripod thread, making it compatible with a wide range of tripods and mounting equipment. For more specialized positioning, the kit includes a heavy-duty magnetic bracket. This bracket allows the laser to attach directly to metal surfaces such as steel studs or door frames. Once mounted, several adjustment points allow precise positioning. You can shift the laser left or right, move it forward or backward, adjust the height, and fine-tune the rotation. These micro adjustments are extremely useful when working on layout tasks, where even small movements can affect alignment. The included lifting base is another helpful accessory. It allows the laser to be raised gradually from the floor, which is particularly useful when matching tile lines or aligning with lower installation points. Together, these accessories give the laser flexibility for different types of projects and mounting environments. Power management is another area where this tool performs well. The CM S04 uses rechargeable lithium batteries rated at 7.4 volts and 2,600 mAh. Each battery can provide up to about 6.5 hours of continuous operation depending on the brightness level and active laser modes. Since the kit includes 2 batteries, users can swap them out and continue working without interruption. Charging is handled through a modern USB-C connection, making it convenient to recharge the batteries using common charging cables and adapters. The simple charging system ensures the tool remains ready for extended work sessions without requiring specialized chargers. Laser visibility can become challenging when working outdoors or in brightly lit environments. To address this, the CM S04 includes a dedicated pulse mode. When activated, pulse mode allows the laser to work with a compatible receiver, significantly extending the usable range. Even when the laser line becomes difficult to see with the naked eye in strong sunlight, the receiver can still detect the beam and guide accurate alignment. This feature makes the tool much more versatile, allowing it to be used not only for indoor installations but also for exterior layout tasks and large construction projects. Overall, the CIGMAN CM S04 16 lines laser level combines precision, smart technology, and practical accessories into a well-designed layout tool. The 4-plane 360-degree projection system allows users to cover entire rooms from a single setup, while the LCD display and smart controls make operation simple and efficient. With reliable accuracy, durable construction, flexible mounting options, and long battery life, it's a tool designed to support both professionals and serious DIY users. For anyone who regularly works with alignment, installation, or interior construction, this laser level provides a modern and highly capable solution for achieving precise results. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Which feature do you think would be most useful for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this.